Welcome to everyone. Today in this video we will discuss how to fix if is not charging on Samsung A04S. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, check your charger and cable. After check your charger and power cable, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold side power button. Click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library. Click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on battery and click on charging settings and enable fast charging. After enable fast charging, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, again click on settings app, click on software update, click on download and install. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.